towards one of the greatest personalities we have in our lives, teachers.
You have taught minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love, and for that we are forever grateful. Thank you for being here with us, and a happy Teachers' Day to all.
India has been celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September since 1962. The day commemorates the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a philosopher and a teacher per excellence, and his contribution towards Indian education system.
Dr. Radhakrishnan believed that teachers should be the best mind in the country. On this day, we gratefully remember the great educationist, apart from honoring all the teachers that have made our life much more knowledgeable and fulfilled as serving our beacons of light.
As we know that Goddess Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge, so let us start the assembly by remembering her and chanting the Gayatri Mantra.
Reading new thoughts in the morning works like fuel, which keeps us smiling and encouraging us throughout the day. So, to inspire us with a thought, I would like to call Bhuvi.
Namaskar everyone. I am Bhuvi from class 9th B. Today's thought of the day is they are not only our teachers, they are our good friends, philosopher and guide, all molded into one person. Every child needs a champion, an adult who will never give up on them. It's the teachers that makes the difference, not the classroom. We'll always be grateful for their support. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Now I call upon Akshita for a beautiful and mesmerizing poem.
Namaskar everyone, I'm Akshita from class 9B and I'm here to dedicate a poem to our lovely teachers. Today is your day and we'd like to thank. We won't misbehave nor pull a new prank. We're extremely grateful for all the things that you do. We appreciate and acknowledge as we look through your view. Sometimes we don't listen while you repeatedly explain. We are sorry for our insincerity and for causing you pain. You've shown us the importance, with efforts to strive, for knowledge and success and not just survive. We would like to add from our hearts we really care. You mean a lot to us and you're beautifully rare. Happy Teacher's Day to a special teacher like you. With your wisdom, you guide us to a life that is humble and true. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshita. With another poem, I call Simone.
ज्ञान का दीपक वो जलाते हैं, माता पिता के बाद वो आते हैं। माता देती है हमको जीवन, पिता करते हैं हमारी सुरक्षा, परंतु जो जीवन को सजाते हैं वही हमारे शिक्षक कहलाते हैं। नमस्कार, आज मैं सिमोन आप सभी के सामने शिक्षक दिवस पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करूंगी। कुछ 4 वर्ष की ही थी मैं जब पहली बार स्कूल गई। किसी ने मेरा हाथ थामा, लगा जैसे माँ आ गई। कौन होता है गुरु? उस दिन ही मैंने जाना था, पूरे मन वचन और कर्म से उनको अपना भगवान माना था। गुरु ही तो वह बाती है, खुद जलकर प्रकाश फैलाता है, अपनी मेधा के बल पर छात्रों का भविष्य बनाता है। क्या है हमारी गलती, उनसे हमें अवगत कराता है, सुधार करने का एक मौका देता, फिर स्वयं ही उसे बताता है। आत्मविश्वास का एक दीप जलाता, मुश्किलों में साथ निभाता है। तुम सब कुछ कर सकते हो, हर बार यही बतलाता है। नमन करती हूँ मैं उन सबको, कुछ लायक मुझे बनाया है। मैं कौन हूँ और क्या हूँ, मुझसे मेरा परिचय करवाया है। धन्यवाद।
Now it's time for Ashnika to show her love towards teacher through her adorable poem.
Namaskar everyone and a happy Teachers Day to my beloved teachers. This is Ashnika Gandhi of class 10th B and today I'll be dedicating a poem towards my teachers. A teacher for all seasons. A teacher is like spring who nurtures new green sprouts, encourages and leads them whenever they have doubts. A teacher is like summer whose sunny temperament makes studying a pleasure, preventing discontent. A teacher is like fall with methods crisp and clear, lessons of bright colors, and a happy atmosphere. A teacher is like winter while it's snowing hard outside, while keeping students comfortable as a warm and helpful guide. Teacher should do all these things with a pleasant attitude. You are a teacher for all seasons, and you have my gratitude. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my beloved teachers, and namaskar everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Ashnika. As we know, no program is complete without a speech. So, for one, I'd like to call Mannat.
Namaskar everyone. Today I'm Mannat of class 8th is going to present a speech in front of you. Teachers Day is an important day for every one of us. It shows the transformative role that a teacher plays in a student's life. Thus, it is very important to have a day solely dedicated to the teachers and the contributions that they have given us. Every year, Teachers Day is celebrated on the 5th of September on the occasion of the second President of Independent India, that is Dr. Radhakrishnan Sarvapalli. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the love you give, the care you take makes you the world's best teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Manat, for such an informative speech. Now we have Siddhi for another informative speech.
Namaskar all, this is Siddhi of class 8B. Today I am here to say a few words on my beloved teachers. Teachers have always been a guide and an inspiration at every stage of a student's life. No one has attained success without the guidance of a teacher. Hence, it is our duty to pay regards and gratitude to teachers for their contribution. In India, 5th September is chosen as Teachers' Day because it was the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was renowned academic of our country who was also the first president, who was also the first vice president and the second president of independent India. After he became the president, his students wanted to celebrate his birthday. Instead, he asked them to mark it as a day to celebrate teachers. Thus, due to this and his contribution to academics, his birth anniversary became Teachers' Day for all Indians. It encourages the students to respect their honored teachers because they play a major role in making the students what they are. Teachers' Day is a great day for making them feel appreciated and loved as it does not happen every day due to busy schedule. It is because of you, dear teachers, that we are able to have the skills that we do today. Your experiences had helped us to become wiser for the better. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you for all you have done for us. Time spent with each one of you is short of memorable, and we will forever be indebted for you for shaping our personalities and making us a better human beings. So I wish all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day and thank you for all you have done for us.
Now we have an illustration by Vikrant.
What a lovely drawing. Thank you, Vikrant. With another electrifying dance performance, we have Megha.
खुल के जीने का तरीका तुम्हें सिखाते हैं, हंस के देखो ना लतीफा तुम्हें सुनाते हैं। उम्र के साल कितने हैं गिन गिन के क्या करना, बीत जाए ना गिनती में ही बनना। आओ फिल्मों के बेअदब गाने गाते हैं, हीरो हीरो आज हम तुम बन जाते हैं। खुल के जीने का तरीका तुम्हें सिखाते हैं, हंस के देखो ना लतीफा तुम्हें सुनाते हैं। खुशियाँ तो रखी हैं पॉकेट में, कागज के नन्हे से पैकेट में। इनकी बिजली की तरह क्यों बचत करे बताओ ना, खर्च कर डालेंगे सारी आज ही आओ ना। है महंगे दर्द बड़े और मुस्कान पाई हमने मुफ्त में, खुल के जीने का तरीका तुम्हें सिखाते हैं, हंस के देखो ना लतीफा तुम्हें सुनाते हैं। उम्र के साल कितने हैं गिन गिन के क्या करना, बीत जाए ना गिनती में। आओ फिल्मों के गाने गाते हैं, हीरो हीरो आज हम तुम बन जाते हैं। खुल के जीने का तरीका सिखाते हैं, हंस के देखो ना लतीफा तुम्हें सुनाते हैं।
Wow, what an electrifying performance by Mega. Now we have another soulful performance by Ishita.
Now I hand over the mic to Khushi and Priyanshi.
Being a teacher is the highest privilege. Having a teacher is the best blessing.
Dear teachers, thank you for making us what we are today.
Now we are at the best part of the Teachers' Day celebration.
And that is giving titles to our lovely teachers. खुल के जीने का तरीका हमें सिखाते हैं।
बच्चों को आगे बढ़ना सिखाते हैं। Can anyone guess?
It is Priyank sir. आप आए संग अपने खुशियाँ लाए।
शिक्षक दिवस पर आप हम सभी तरफ से आपको ढेर सारी दुआएं। So this is Deepika ma'am.
डॉलर रुपया यूरो
ये है इकोनॉमिक्स की हीरो। So she is Preeti ma'am.
भाजपा कांग्रेस INLD का है इन्हें पूरा ज्ञान।
देती है बच्चों के सपनों को उड़ान।
Shweta ma'am.
Yeah, correct. She is Shweta ma'am.
फोटोसिंथेसिस अमीबा पैरामीशियम है हमें पढ़ाती।
बायोलॉजी को हमें अच्छे से समझाती।
स्मिता मैम।
Yeah, she is Smita ma'am.
फिजिक्स के हैं ये ज्ञाता।
चाहते हैं ये बच्चों को कुछ बड़ा बनाना।
पंकज सर।
Pankaj sir.
Yes, you all are correct.
Acid, bases and salts.
She never let our studies stop.
चेतना मैम।
Yes.
चेतना मैम का नाम तो भैया
चेतना मैम। अंडर रूट है सिखाते।
मैथ्स को इजी करके हैं पढ़ाते।
गुंजन मैम।
गुंजन मैम।
अनु मैम भी सर। अनु मैम भी तो हो सकती है।
Yeah. सुशील सर।
कंप्यूटर की है ABCD हमें पढ़ाती।
सारे लेसन्स प्रैक्टिकली है करके बताती।
पिंकी मैम। मलिक मैम।
Yes, you all are correct.
Without her, we won't be able to write grammar.
She reduces our English errors.
Himani ma'am. It is Poonam ma'am. समास वाक्य संधि है सिखाती।
वर्ल्ड की बेस्ट हिंदी पढ़ाती।
सीमा मैम।
सीमा मैम।
Yes, you all are correct. It's Seema ma'am. GDP development और ग्राहक का मुझे बताती।
इकोनॉमिक्स ऑसम ये पढ़ाती।
मुकेश मैम, मीनू मैम,
मीनू मैम।
या मीनू मैम।
हिप हॉप, जुम्बा, एरोबिक्स डांस को हर स्टाइल में सिखाते।
साहिब सर,
ये हमारे डांस सर सिखाते।
साहिब सर। Yes, you all are correct. It's Sahib sir. सारे गामा पा को सुर में गाना सिखाते।
ये हमें ध्वनि का महत्व समझाते।
राघव सर।
राघव सर,
It is Raghav sir. She teaches us tenses, modals, determinants.
And she keeps us determined towards English. Yeah, you all are correct. It's Himani ma'am.
Bonjour, salut, comment ça va?
बताओ कौन हमें फ्रेंड्स। Yes, you all are correct. It's Neha ma'am.
नाम और विशेषण।
प्यारे बच्चों को हिंदी पढ़ाती।
पिंकी मैम,
Yes, you all are correct.
मोल, एवोगाड्रोस कांस्टेंट इन्होंने हमें पढ़ाया।
केमिस्ट्री पढ़कर हमें बहुत मजा आया।
रुपेश सर,
Yes.
एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिविजन हमें सिखाती।
बहुत अच्छे से रिवीजन ये करवाती।
धनवंतरी,
Yes, you are correct. It's Annu.
अन्नू मैम, अरे वो सामने वाले सर नाम
ये हमारे थिएटर टीचर कहलाते।
नरेश सर,
Yes, you all are correct. स्टोरी ऑफ अ शर्ट पढ़ाती। EIC के बारे में बतलाती। ये हमारी SST टीचर कहलाती।
मुकेश मैम,
Yes, you all are correct. प्रकृति से हमें प्यार करना सिखाती। ये हमें एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज सिखाती।
पूनम मैम।
यस। नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों को क ख ग घ सिखाती। उन्हें हिंदी में माहिर बनाती।
लीजा मैम।
या शी इज लीजा मैम। मैथमेटिक्स के ऑपरेशंस को एग्जीक्यूट करना सिखाती। को इजी तरीके से पढ़ाती।
मोनिका मैम,
शी इज गुंजन मैम। अकाउंटेंसी का सारा काम हैंडल करते, श्री कनेक्ट से रिलेटेड हर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते।
अजय सर।
अजय सर।
Yes. सभी छोटे बच्चों को है ये इनसे लगाव, ये है फॉर्म फर्स्ट की माँ समान।
रजनी मैम।
Rajni ma'am.
Yes, she is Rajni. मजे मजे में हेल्दी रहना सिखाते, इनके हर लेसन में हम सब खेलने जाते।
हेमंत सर।
Answer.
विनोद सर।
Vinod sir.
देख उनको रिसेप्शन पर हो जाता है पॉजिटिव माइंड, हमें पता है वो है बहुत काइंड।
मनी मैम।
Money ma'am.
मनी मैम।
जिंदगी में रंगों से खेलना सिखाया, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट लेसन में हमें दिल लगाकर काम करना सिखाया।
निर्मला मैम।
छोटे बच्चों को एसएसटी से परिचित करवाया, जिंदगी में उन्हें पढ़ाई का महत्व समझाया।
रीना मैम।
Yogita ma'am.
योगिता मैम।
रीना मैम। योगिता।
इनसे सब बच्चों ने प्यार पाया,
रविशा मैम।
उन्हें इंग्लिश
मैम।
इन्होंने सिखाया।
रविशा मैम। रविशा मैम।
नर्सरी के प्यारे कदमों को बढ़ना सिखाया, उनको सही राह पर चलना सिखाया।
अन्नू मैम। अन्नू मैम।
छोटे छोटे बच्चों को उन्हें उनकी योग्यता से परिचित करवाया।
योगिता मैम। योगिता मैम।
केजी क्लास को अच्छा व्यवहार करना सिखाया, गुड हैबिट्स का पाठ उन्होंने पढ़ाया।
महिमा मैम।
या शी इज महिमा मैम। उन्होंने मैथ्स को सिंप्लीफाई कर सिखाया, मैथमेटिक्स को आसान कर पढ़ना सिखाया।
मोनिका मैम।
मोनिका मैम। विकास।
You enlighten the children with good thoughts.
On this day we wish happiness to you lots and lots.
विकास सर।
मिलजुल कर आप काम है करते।
आईटी हो या स्पोर्ट्स डे, बच्चों के साथ
विकास सर।
एंजॉय करना। May God bless you with smile at your face.
तन्नू मैम।
तन्नू मैम।
आपकी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, आपकी ऑपोजिशन में रहते हैं हम चल रहे हैं।
Happy Teachers Day to you for sure.
रवि सर।
स्कूल में हो रहे। रवि सर।
Music gives soul to universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to every day.
Music is life. That's why our hearts have beats. Now we would like to call Simrat and Sarthak for a song.
Wow, this was wonderful. Let's enhance our knowledge. Now we have another performance by Sarthak.
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough time in their lives, for that we say thank you. You have made a difference, you have shaped our minds, you have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who heard the silent cries, who stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes. For those who gave us a safe place to go, a place for us to call our home, forever we will know. You have made a difference, you have shaped our minds, you have changed the world, one child at a time. You've always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I'm proud of you. This song is for those who taught us right from wrong, who taught us much more than their craft to help our minds grow strong. This song is for those who guide us through and through, so that we can make a life so that we say thank you. You have made a difference, you have saved our minds, you have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I'm proud of you. I hope that you're as proud of me as I'm proud of you.
Wow, what a performance! It was truly mesmerizing.
Now let's enhance our knowledge by fun facts by Ishan. Ishan, are you here?
Thank you, teachers. Teacher, you have always had faith in us even when we didn't. Thank you for helping us through this year of school. We couldn't have done it without you.
Teachers are our second parents, friends, and confidants. Thank you for all that you have done for us this year. I hope we stay in touch for a long time to come.
Your patience is second to none. We had so much trouble with some of the difficult parts of class this year, but you stuck by us and had faith that we'll get there in the end. Thank you.
You are a true godsend. You have got all the best qualities of a good teacher. Without you, we wouldn't have made it through. You have gone above and beyond this year to support us. Thank you for getting us over the hurdles, having faith in our abilities, and having the skills to get us where we needed to go. Now we have heartful thank you notes for our amazing teachers by Shrishti, Ridhiman and Aditi.
Dear teacher, I would like to express how much I enjoyed in your classes. Thank you for making your classes special and interesting and enjoying your innovative teaching. Dear teacher, thank you for being strict and monitoring my work. In fact, I so that I involve the best qualities in me. Thank you, teacher, for all the fun activities that you included in the class to enhance learning, providing the fact that learning can be indeed fun. Thank you, teacher, for your patience and caring for your kind ones. I just want to say thank you, teacher.
Now we have Ridhiman. Now we have Aditi.
Dear teachers, I am very thankful for you all, for your support and hard work you have put in for educating us. You are not only the teachers, but you are a friend, philosopher, and a guide for all of us. You all have been the mentor of our life. Happy Day to all of you. Thank you.
I would like to thank our director, Priyank Hooda sir, teachers, and my fellow students for being here with us today. Your presence means a lot to us and it has motivated us to give our best. I thank all the teachers who have inspired and motivated us to give our best every single time. Your kind heart has helped our aspiring mind gain its full potential. To us, you are much more than a teacher. Over the years, our bond with you has grown so strong that we can call school our second home. It has been a great pleasure learning from great teachers like you, and at the end, I wish all teachers out there a very happy Teachers' Day.
I hope all the teachers loved what we have performed. Anybody would like to say a few words?
Thank the whole team. That's that much of respect. Thank you very much. We exist because of you people.
Thank you, all my loving students, for making this day very special for all of us. We are really happy to see him. I'm really finding this PPT that you made so much efforts you made to make this day a really successful one, making us realize that we are teachers and today you made us feel proud. Thank you so much, students.
Thank you so much, teachers, for your beautiful words. Now I request all of you to get ready for National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य